Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun things to share with you that you might not have yet, that you might think you need, or you know you need. First is the one that was completely sold out on HSN, and we have had so many requests to bring it back. I'm finally excited. I finally get to announce that we have it now on our website. Dun, 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 dun. It is the Jar Fold It. Now, when you see all of my stack of samples that I have over here, you will fall over. So sit down and keep your socks on, because you know what, my friends, you're gonna fall in love. Now, of course, we do have a stamp set that matches it too. Now, this fun label stamp in here is also a die in this kit, okay? So this jar, you're getting lots and lots of dies. Now look at how fun this is. Thinking of you, thank you, happy anniversary, birthday, just for you. All of those items fit in the label, which is really nice. We're also releasing, also as seen on HSN, the word stand-ups that say you rock, bravo, and wish big. Now, you're gonna need this die set, the stand-up set, and I'm gonna show you how this works because it's really fun, but you're gonna need this die set to work with these words, okay? Just a heads up on that, and I'm gonna show you how to do this, okay? Next, we are releasing a shaker die set that was on an HSN, in an HSN kit 3 or 4 years ago. So it's been a while. And I realize here it doesn't look like much, but wait till you see some of my samples, including using the flowers all by themselves. Aren't those gorgeous? Using the flowers just by themselves. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. And then if you miss them, if you're not in our kit club and you wanted these, we have a limited amount of the Loving Life and the Take It Easy dies. So if you wanted the Take It Easy or the Loving Life, grab them quick, because once they're gone forever. Now, let's look at this shaker samples. Here's a cute shaker one using the fun little flowers on the front, and you can see that there's a little shaker in there. So cute. Buzzing by to say, you are as sweet as can be. Here's a cute one with that gorgeous flower. Using it by itself with the big scallop circle, you can definitely do that. So cute and so fun. Now let's check out the jars. The jars are one of those dies that you can use for every season. And this is the honest truth, because here we go. Here's one for winter, which is so perfect. Look at that. Love it. So cute. Here is one for Valentine's Day. Love it, right? Look at that. Look at that. Let's move these over because we're going to look at a lot. Ready? Here's one for everyday sweet moments made into, yes, you know it, a shaker card. Love it. Look at that. So fun. Then we have, then we have one for Father's Day. Today is all about you, with a sailboat on the inside with the jar off to the side. I mean, on its side. Isn't that cute? Then we have one for just, hey, take it easy. Look how cute that is. It's also a shaker card, which is really fun. Here's a snow globe type jar card with a Christmas kisses on it. I'm telling you, every holiday. Okay, Halloween, look at this, Halloween. I'm telling you, you're gonna use this die for every holiday and every occasion. Here's one, sorry you've caught a bug, get well. Look how cute that is. Here's a congratulations shaker card, so beautiful. Here's a thank you card using that fun label that is in the stamp set. Love it. Here's a cute thinking of you. I told you, you guys, I told you every single possibility. Here is a birthday wishes in a cute little mason jar. Here is another winter one with those fun snowmen, which I absolutely love. And last but not least for today, the turkey. Okay, again, I think I hit just about every single holiday possible, right? This one's also a shaker. So cute. I love it. I know. I'm telling you, you guys. I'm telling you. Now, let's look at that word stand-up, because the stand-up might be new to you, and I don't want you to be confused on how to use it or anything like that. So as I mentioned, you will need the die set from the stand-up card. So you're definitely going to need this one, and most of you already have it, so I don't need to worry. Now, there are other options as well for this one. So you also can buy add-on words smile, thanks, and love, and there are even more for Christmas. So go check out our website for those. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this die. This is the one that comes in the card base, and I'm going to lay this down here, and then I'm going to take the die. This one says You Rock, and see these little notches right here, 1 and 2, just like that? I'm going to lay this right like that when I run this through my die cut machine. Now, because I have to move it over because my die cut machine is over here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tape this down and then I'm gonna run it through my machine, okay? So I'm just gonna tape it down so I have it right there so I can move it over to my die cut machine. And I'm gonna grab a piece of cardstock and I'm gonna run this through. Now, you can use this die on a standard 6-inch machine, but you will need the extended cutting pads if you have a smaller machine. And we're gonna lay that down and we're gonna run this through. Easy, simple. So it's only one pass through the machine and you're gonna get all those words die cut just like that. And I'm gonna lift this up, lift this up. Now what I have here is I'm gonna pop this out. Look how cute this is, you guys. I love this. Pop this out, pop this out. Oh, there we go. Get that one out of there. Now I'm going to fold this. There's score lines already done for me. I'm going to fold it on the score line that's in the center because that's going to fold the main part of the card. And then I'm going to finger press just on those 2 little center ones right there. And there's a little tiny belly button notch right there. I'm going to put it, and there we go. You rock. Isn't that easy peasy? Simple, simple. Now, of course, in the card die set, there are layering dies. You can layer a die here. You can layer a die down here. But that is how easy a word stand-up is. And don't forget, I could have changed the words. I didn't have to say you rock. I could have had it say bravo. I could have had it say wish big. Or I could have picked some of the other words dies that say smile or love or different ones like that. Lots and lots of options. Go to the website, thestampsoflife.com, search stand-ups, and you can have lots of other options. Or just click on the one that's brand new and you can go check that one out as well. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.